We are involved with a long-term conservation project with Historic England and Cadw. Visitors, when they visit the centre, will see an expertly curated exhibition on Offa's Dyke, the archaeology of the Dyke, King Offa, who built the Dyke in the 8th century. Our goal is, having surveyed the Offa's Dyke 3 years ago, we realised that only 9% of it is considered to be in favourable or good condition. So this project, which will start very soon, will probably last a generation, and the aim is to turn back the tide and to allow the Dyke to return to the state that we want to see it in. An ideal scenario for the Dyke would be to see it with not as many trees on, no scrub or bramble or bracken. We want the public to actually see it. So ideally, if we could see the Dyke in a grassed condition and grazed by sheep. Archaeological earthworks are very fragile. Once they're damaged in any way by sheep or walkers, it can never be the same again. It will take some time. I want the public, the visiting public, to engage with the conservation process. And we'd like people to understand that avoiding the wettest winter months is actually doing the Dyke a big favour.